Welcome one and all to the comedic botanical journey of a lifetime. Today our spotlight shines on the one, the only Phenopsis ammobilis. Now that sounds like a mouthful, but you may know it by the more social media friendly name, the white butterfly orchid, or for the romantics, the Mariposa orchid. It's not a wizard's incantation, although it does possess a certain magical charm. First stop on our tour, the name Phalaenopsis ammobilis rolls off the tongue like a spell from Hogwarts. Doesn't it? It's as if you're saying Alohomora. Swing wide the door for the ammobilis, but fear not. This orchid isn't here to bewitch you, just to dazzle you with its radiant beauty. Next up, the orchid's party season. It's a winter and spring bloomer. Truly the life of the party in the plant kingdom, when most of us are burrowing under cozy blankets. This orchid is out there, flaunting its fabulous white blooms. It's like it's giving a cheeky wink to winter, saying you're not so tough. But what really makes the Phalaenopsis ammobilis the belle of the ball is its staying power. Its flowers can last for more than half a year. Imagine a bloom that outlives some fleeting romances. It's setting the bar high for relationship goals. And to top it off, it doesn't just bring one bloom to the party, but 5 or 6 at a time. Now that's what I call team spirit. Now for the PSD resistance, the labellum with red spots. It's nature's version of putting a cherry on top of a perfectly iced cake. And the soft, yellowish white hue. It's like a warm, comforting embrace from Mother Nature herself. To wrap it up, the Phalaenopsis ammobilis isn't your run-of-the-mill orchid. It's a showstopper, a marathon runner, a feast for the eyes, and a standard setter for relationship longevity. So when you're feeling a bit blue, remember there's a white butterfly orchid out there, blooming away, reminding us that even in the frostiest of winters, beauty abounds. And that, dear listeners, is a wrap.